Hey YouTube, how's it going? It is day 2 of drone training. What I'm going to do is practice the 2 tutorials I did yesterday, which was 2 tracks. One is a figure 8 and the other one was a square where I kind of loop around a pole. And after that, I think I'm going to tackle the other 2 races. Again, day 2, full manual, and let's see how it goes today. Figure 8, let's go there. Oh. So in any of these races, you can still be in intermediate mode, which limits your angle, but I think you should just go to pro mode like I said yesterday. Once you have the feel of it, it becomes easier. Okay, today is a little bit more easier. I kind of trying to follow the course a little bit. Too much. Turn around. Okay, I can't talk and race at the same time. It's definitely twitchy. The drones that they have when you race are a lot easier to control than the trainer. I don't know if they do that intentionally. Like, this is all over the place. A little bit more control today. I don't think I can do the beginner courses because I think I'm just kind of drifting all over the place. But yeah, let's just keep cracking at it. Yeah, this drone is so floaty. And we gotta land, which I am not good at. Nope. Okay, go forward a little bit. Forward. Why is the hardest part landing? Oh, I missed it. Where'd I go? What? This is horrible. Yeah, it just floats. It doesn't want me to land. It's so weird. Come on, go forward. I did it again. I just keep going over it. Horrible landing. That was definitely ugly. Very ugly. I think I'm done with the tutorials for today. And I'm gonna hit the 2 race courses. Both are still easy modes. Still using the Cinewoop. And the plan is for me to use the same drone the whole time in the 10 days. I will be doing the Swoop Modded GP and the Gates of Hell, nice for noobs. We'll just go with that. Okay, so I shaved off 20 seconds. Could have been done sooner, but I kept messing up at the end. I think I just gotta calm down. When racing, I get really tense. I can feel it in my neck, actually. I'm gonna go to the other course now. Gates of Hell, nice for noobs. Whoa. I actually crashed. What's going on here? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay. Up. Much better that round. Oh, that one I clocked in at 2 minutes 31:84. That was 15 seconds faster than yesterday. Learned some new stuff as far as techniques. Throttle down when you're making sharp turns. Gotta learn when I make turns not to pitch, and I'm gonna work on that. Much. Ooh. Ooh. Much better on that round. Shaved another 20 seconds just from today. Making progress. I like the approach that I'm doing right now. I'll do one long course. That modded GP one it's like almost a 10-minute course, and then this one is a smaller course. I think the record right now is 1 minute. I'll do probably one more race, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.